effort. Pinagsama-sama yung yung resources ng bawat isa, yung talent, yung sipag, yung tiyaga, commitment. That is what SFGF is all about. We put together our native talent, our experience, our expertise, our know-how, and even Google kasama sa SFGF. Kasi we search for answers sa mga questions. Pati YouTube. And we're able to put up. Imagine the power of people uniting, coming together na sundan nila yung gusto nilang gawin. Ito yon, private sector initiative na at least may mangyayari. So yan na yan, ang iwas mo na lang dito, 1, nakaw, 2, sakit, 3, walang makain, ang ganun ba. That's why nakita mo yung tinatanim kanina. And lahat itong mga binabakura na to, segment yan ng kainan, damo.